With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have a question here. The question says match the two columns. Column 1 indicates situation and column 2 indicates fundamental forces in physics. So we have to match the two columns where column 1 has different scenario or situation and column 2 have four fundamental forces in physics. So in physics, if we talk about forces, then there are different kind of forces, but among them only four are fundamental forces. So all other forces actually originate from these four fundamental forces. So now if we write them down, so these will be, first one will be gravitational force. So this is gravitational force, or generally we call this as gravity. So this force acts between masses, two masses, that is the interaction between, as for example, between earth and moon. Secondly, we have another force, very popular force or common force, that is electromagnetic force. This is electromagnetic force, and these forces we can see between different charges, positive and negative charges, when they are stationary or they are moving. So these are electromagnetic force. So the third one, which is another fundamental force, is strong nuclear force. So in nucleus there are nuclear particles present, or we call them as nucleons. So the interaction between them is basically strong nuclear force, which holds the nucleus together. Now there is another kind of fundamental force, which is weak nuclear force. So this is weak nuclear force. This is only appears when some particle decays, or it is responsible for decay process. That is weak nuclear force. So strong nuclear force is the strongest, then comes electromagnetic force, then we have gravitational force, then the least powerful force is weak nuclear force. Now we have to match the column. So first we have force between protons. So if we consider protons, they will have charge and mass, and they are also nucleons. Protons are present in nucleus, so we call them as nucleons. So there will be, for charge we have electromagnetic force, then for mass we have gravitational force, then because they are nucleons they will possess strong nuclear force. So for A we have P gravitational force, then electromagnetic force Q, and also R, that is strong nuclear force. Secondly, we have force between two neutrons. So we have neutron. So neutron, as we know, they are chargeless. What will happen? There is no charge, only they have mass, and they are present in nucleus. So they are nucleons. So they have mass and also they are part of the nucleus. So we call them as nucleons. So there will be, for mass, gravitational force and strong nuclear force between neutrons. So gravitational force and strong nuclear force, that is P R. This is connected with column 1 of option B. Now we have another scenario, force between pen and finger. So when we hold a pen, so our finger has certain mass and pen also has certain mass. So there will be gravitational force, and also in the molecules of pen and finger there will be a electromagnetic interaction. So for this option C, we can write two type of interaction: electromagnetic force and gravitational force. These two forces are most significant in this. So P and Q. Now we have the third, tension force in a string. So tension is nothing but due to some kind of force acting on a rope or a string. So this force is due to maybe gravitation, and the force that is holding the string together, which is not breaking, is due to the electromagnetic interaction. Also in option D we can write P and Q, that is electromagnetic and gravitational force for tension. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.